In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to insert picture in a comment in Microsoft Excel. If you want to make your worksheet more visual and helpful, adding a picture inside a note or comment area can be a great option. This is especially useful when you want to attach a product image, reference photo, or any visual detail to a specific cell without placing the image directly on the sheet. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and select the cell where you want the image to appear. This is the cell that will hold the note or comment background, so make sure you click the exact one you want to work with before moving on. Next, right-click that cell and choose Edit Note. This opens the note attached to the cell so you can modify it. If your version of Excel uses slightly different wording, just look for the note editing option connected to that cell. Once the note is active, move your cursor to the borderline of the note box, specifically along the edge rather than inside the text area. Then, right-click on that border and select Format Comment. This is an important part because the picture is added through the formatting settings of the note itself, not by typing or inserting an image in the usual way. In the Format Comment window, click on the Colors and Lines tab. Under the Color section, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click that arrow, then choose Fill Effects. This is where Excel gives you additional background fill options beyond plain colors. From the Fill Effects window, go to the Picture tab and click Select Picture. This will allow you to browse for the image you want to use. Choose a picture from your files or cloud storage, depending on where it's saved. After selecting the image, make sure to check the box for Lock Picture Aspect Ratio. This helps keep the image from stretching or looking distorted when it appears inside the note. Then click OK to confirm and click OK again if needed to close the formatting windows. At this point, your picture should now be applied to the note. Finally, you can adjust the picture to your desired size by resizing the note box itself. Drag the edges carefully until the image looks the way you want. If the picture appears too small or cropped, simply expand the note area until it fits better. And that's how to insert a picture in a comment or note in Microsoft Excel. Take your time with the formatting because a small adjustment in size can make the image much clearer and more useful.